Before I continue, I want to highlight the very important issue that Turkish diplomatic mission in Pakistan is supporting us out of the way. We are working in different countries. We have diplomatic missions. Their countries have diplomatic missions in our country. But since recent progress and also historically and culturally, we are in very good relationship with Turkey. So, for information of all of you, Turkish diplomatic missions, whether the office of His Excellency Commercial Attaché, whether Consulate General in Lahore, whether Turkish Embassy in Islamabad, their doors are always open for us and they are accommodating us. At the same time, I want to highlight that the senior leadership of Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry, our President Mr. Mia Abudar Shah Sahab, our Senior Vice President and Vice President, Engineer Sahab and Shahid Nadeer Chaudhary Sahab, when it comes to Turkey, they are giving extra support to us. So I wish that the target of both the countries is $5 billion. And as we know, Lahore...
Mr. Jahangir, thank you very much for inviting me here. Definitely, Turkey is one of our strategic, economic and best trustworthy partner in the world that had been proved recently during this standoff. We really want to salute you to our Turkey nation, our Turkey brothers, for the cooperation they did for us. It was not only on the economical ground but also on the strategical ground. With due respect, I don't have much to say because I was not supposed to address this session. But I have few words for you, sir. As you know that Pakistan, mainly we are in a deficit, in a trade deficit with the different countries. The same is with the Turkey. So we hope, on behalf of this Lahore Chamber of Commerce, I'm sending a request to you. We hope that if Turkey can have a more friendly as a most favorite nation to Pakistan, and for the taxes, if you have some slab of the taxes or the barrier of the taxes, if comparing with the other countries, if you can provide some relaxation to Pakistan as a most favorite nation, this will really help Pakistan to enhance its exports to Turkey. So this is my one request to you. I hope you will cater it. Okay, so this deserves to be clapped.
साथ हमारी जो विमेंस हैं वो भी बहुत पोटेंशियल रखती हैं और वो बड़ी इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि हम टर्की के साथ बिज़नेस करें, लेकिन जब बिज़नेस की बात आती है तो टर्की के साथ जो हर्डल्स हैं जो इंटरनेशनली और जैसे टैक्सेस की बात हुई, बैंकिंग की बात हुई, तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। दूसरा एक सबसे जो मेजर इशू है वो ये है कि टर्की दूसरी कंट्रीज़ में जाते हैं, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में जितनी हमारी ब्रदरहुडशिप फ्रेंडली इन्वायरमेंट है, उसके हिसाब से पाकिस्तान का और टर्की का बिज़नेस टाइम इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है और इतना फ्रेंडली नहीं है। तो इस चीज़ को मैं रिकमेंड करूँगी कि आप इसके ऊपर ज़रा काम करें और इस मीडिएशन का रोल प्ले करें, क्योंकि बिज़नेस कम्युनिटी सारी की सारी इंटरेस्टेड है कि हम अपना एशिया की तरफ जाएं और बिज़नेस करें। लेकिन बिज़नेस करने में सबसे जो चीज़ें ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि वहाँ से डेलीगेशंस आएँ, आके हमारे साथ B2B मीटिंग्स करें, वो हमारा पोटेंशियल देखें, वो हमें इनवाइट करें, हम उनके पोटेंशियल को देखें और फिर जहाँ कौन सी लाइंस हैं जिन पे हम ज़्यादा अच्छा ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। उसके साथ साथ टूरिज़म भी है। टूरिज़म में मैंने बात की थी